In the tapestry of national symbols, few are as deeply woven into the collective soul of a people as the Turkish flag. More than a mere emblem of the state, the Al-Sansik, red banner, is a repository of history, a vessel of mythology, and a sacred covenant written in the crimson of sacrifice. To understand its role in Turkish national identity is to understand the very heart of Turkey itself, a nation forged in the crucible of imperial collapse and a fierce war for sovereignty. Its constant, unwavering presence across the landscape, from the windswept peaks of Anatolia to the bustling balconies of Istanbul, is not just a display of patriotism but a continuous, living referendum on the nation's past, present, and future. The power of the flag is rooted in a legend so potent it has transcended folklore to become a foundational truth in the national consciousness. The story, tied to the epic battles that defined Turkish history, tells of a Turkish warrior's reflection of the crescent moon and a star in a pool of martyrs' blood. This potent origin myth instantly imbues the flag with its two most defining characteristics: celestial guidance and human sacrifice. The star and crescent, while historically associated with the Ottoman Empire and even pre-Islamic Turkic peoples, were thus reframed for the modern republic. They became symbols not of an imperial dynasty, but of the divine will and the ultimate price paid for the homeland. When Mustafa Kemal Ataturk founded the Turkish Republic in 1923, he did not discard this powerful Ottoman-era symbol, he harnessed its profound emotional resonance, codifying it as the banner of a new, secular nation-state built upon the memory of those who fell for its creation. This theme of sacrifice is the emotional core of the flag's meaning. The brilliant red is not an abstract color choice, it is universally understood to be the blood of the Şehitler, or martyrs. This transforms the flag from a piece of cloth into a sacred shroud, representing every soldier who died defending the homeland, particularly during the Turkish War of Independence, 1919 to 1922. This conflict, which secured Turkey's sovereignty against foreign powers, is the moral and political bedrock of the modern state. Consequently, the flag is seen as a trust, passed down by generations who paid for it with their lives. This perception explains the deep reverence with which it is treated. Turkish law criminalizes its desecration, but the unwritten social code is even more powerful. The flag is never to touch the ground. It is meticulously folded, and when faded, it is honorably retired, not simply discarded. This is not mere protocol, it is a ritualistic act of respect for the ancestors and the ideals they died to protect. The flag's role extends far beyond official ceremonies and military honors. It is an active and integral part of daily life, acting as a constant, unifying thread in the social fabric. It flies from every school, government building, and police station on national holidays, such as Republic Day on October 29 or Victory Day on August 30. Entire cities are draped in red and white as citizens hang flags from their windows and balconies in a remarkable display of collective identity. It appears at weddings, is draped over the coffins of soldiers and national figures, and is waved with fervent passion at sporting events. This ubiquity serves a crucial function: it dissolves social, political, and economic divisions, reminding citizens of a shared, foundational identity. In times of national crisis, such as a natural disaster or a terrorist attack, the flag emerges as a spontaneous symbol of solidarity and resilience. During the attempted coup of 2016, citizens from all political backgrounds poured into the streets, united under the banner of the flag to defend their democratically elected government, powerfully demonstrating its role as the ultimate symbol of national unity. In the political realm, the flag serves as a unifying standard that transcends partisan divides. While various political ideologies, from Kemalism to nationalism and conservatism, may claim to be its truest guardians, the flag itself remains a symbol all factions rally around. It represents the indivisible integrity of the state and the sovereignty of the Turkish people. In this sense, it is both a political and a deeply personal symbol. For the individual, it is a link to a shared history of struggle and triumph. For the state, it is the ultimate expression of its legitimacy and authority. This dual role ensures its enduring power and its ability to mobilize the populace and reinforce a sense of shared destiny. Ultimately, the Turkish flag is not just a symbol of the nation, it is an ongoing narrative. It tells a story of an ancient people, an epic empire, a painful collapse, and a triumphant rebirth. It embodies the sacred bond between the land, the people, and the state, a bond sealed in blood and sanctified by memory. Its crimson hue and celestial emblems serve as a constant reminder of both the price of freedom and the promise of the future, weaving together millions of individuals into a single, indivisible national identity.